Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about tan s equal to sin s over cosine s. Secant of s equal to 1 over cosine s. So this one we put in here, and secant of s we change for this one. So in this situation we can write into sin s to the power of 5 over cosine s to the power of 5 in here. Next, about sin s to the power of 5, we can separate them into sin s to the power of 4 multiplied by sin s. Next, sin s to the power of 4 we can write into sin s square everything to the power of 2. And now we have sin s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. So we put cosine s square go to the right, and you got about sin s square equals to 1 minus cosine s square. So we put this one to replace for this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine s. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to negative sin s ds. So because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative go to the left. And this one we change for u square. This one we change for u to the power of 5. This one we change for u. And sin s ds we change for negative du. We know that the square root of 1 over u, that is about over u to the power of 1 over 2. And we know that u to the power of 5 divided by u to the power of 1 over 2. We can write into u to the power of 5 minus 1 over 2. And this one, you will got about 9 over 2. Next, we need to expand this one, and you got about 1 minus 2u square plus u to the power of 4. So we have 1 divided by u to the power of 9 over 2, u square divided by u to the power of 9 over 2, and u to the power of 4 divided by u to the power of 9 over 2. And you got about u to the power of negative 9 over 2. And we have negative number 2 u square minus 9 over 2. And the last one, you have u to the power of number 4 minus 9 over 2. And this one in here, we will got about negative 5 over 2. And this one in here, you will got about negative 1 over 2. And now we got the final answer. The integral of u to the power of negative 9 over 2. You will got about negative 9 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 9 over 2 plus 1. Similar for the second one. So this one in here, you will go about negative number 7 over 2. Similar for this one. And this one, you will go about negative number 3 over 2 and negative number 3 over 2. This one you go about 1 over 2. So about u, that is about cosine x. So we put cosine x in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.